oli ku BOCAT TV leero enkya ne luli BOCAT TV.
Mugenda tuula mumpulirize. Yeah, but like I wanted this, it penetrate very far. That as me, the ex-convict, I feel the pain of Honorable Seglinya and the, I don't know, Honey. Yeah. Oh, who is the Honorable MP of Machinje? Oh, MP, who is the MP of Machinje? Atela nnyo kwekalakasa. Bamusibane Segirinya. Okay. So my condolence goes to Honorable Seglinya, the MP of Kawempe, that darling, everywhere you are, take a heart. Me, I stayed in prison for 2 fucking years and 8 months. I've been in prison and I was serving and I came out like a conqueror. So I want to put on stop this fake blogging going on that bad black she's on run, bad black she's on run. There is no way I can run. Run cannot run. I don't run. Once you have any case against me, you go to police report, they will summon me and I will appear. I will appear. As long as it's not murder. I remember when I was in anti-corruption code. Yes, hello? Ajja kuddamu Akubye. Ono abadde akubidde Derek Olex mbu Makindi Sewanyana. So I'm telling you, I'm telling you, you stop threatening me through your social media platforms. Stop giving a fake blogs. Stop lying to people that I'm on run. I can't run. Me, I can't run. You understand? Where should I run? I'm a Ugandan. I was born in Uganda. I was raised in Uganda. I'm working in Uganda. I deal in Uganda. I've been in Uganda. I'm 24/7 hours available. There's no way you can search me and you say that no. I have not seen bad black. She's unwanted. Wanted what? Am I a government threat? Or am I interested even in the Museveni's chair that I'm going to be unwanted? You people, you should stop all those nonsense. Mweba blogger, mweba upcoming blogger. Ababera kunonga, you're looking for news. Katinge yotu video. I send my condolence again. I feel so touched. I'm so touched that the mere fact is Honorable Seglinya and Sewanyana, thank you for telling me the name, and Honorable Sewanyana, that they have been in jail for a while. But also, you people who visited them, tell them that it's not the end of the world. There is life after prison. You understand? There is run. I say, you tell Honorable Seglinya and Honorable Sewanyana that there is life after prison. So there is no any big deal. So I put a special thanks that Monange Mganda Angilumbi and to me denyo ndi kaziniwo name counted omuzibwe ntonkubisa abasajja kiboka abasajja bajja kunkuba kiboko ngo bagamba nti ndi Muganda. Nze ndi Kampala Muganda wange tonkubisa kiboko lumbuye. Ndeka abasajja bakuba kiboko sinagale malaka bina mbukulu. What else I wanted to address apart from some sending my condolence to the honorables, and they will be fine. They will be fine. You know, I'm telling you every day, Ugandan prison, it's modern. Apart from the comedy you put you put on media, you're sleeping on uniform, you're eating posho. If at school, a student, they eat posho, the boarding section, I think at their international school, they can eat posho. What about your prisoner, criminal? Some of you, you're not criminal inside there. But I'm telling you that prison, it's not something so big. You've been there. So I pity you motherfuckers who come to media about black you unwanted, you're going to be arrested. It's law. Law is going to be broken by a people because it was made by a person. You understand my point? A law will be broken by people. Change jagalo baga manti amateka gakulebwa muntu lagamenyebwa muntu. Mumpulira. So if you're mujano, ne mutisatisa, you unwanted, you on what, you better stop all that nonsense. You share this video. Mogena lekelo yo nonsense wamwe. Mochitegeera. So temubeeranga nga mutisatisa abantu, ne mutisatisa abantu mbu kino kiri. Onfuna. Police webe nonya empandikire awugo. Nze mulimu ebintu mulamu bwange kati byenda ba minor issue. Like visiting a police station. It's like flying eggs and bread and I eat. It's like going back to school. As long as you have your evidence, as long as you covered enough evidence, you can do what you want. So, I want to address ekyakina okugera ku Nabamawulire mwe musinze n'okundeeta. You paparazzi, you close your limits. Paparazzi, you close your limits. Muklosinga limits zammwe. Okitegeera. Muklosinga limits yammwe. I don't remember even do live at this time. You close your limits, you paparazzi. Mwe Nabamawulire, because you think you own a TV, actually not even a own, because you work on TV. You think you're going to come and tolerate bad black. You're going to come and tolerate bad black as man. Because even if we report you to police has never taken action to any paparazzi. Ora Nabamawulire inatwali yali amubonereza. Twali yali abonereza Nabamawulire no. Mishitera. Nabamawulire mugenda ne mujja. We help you to trend. We help you to sell your papers. We help you to sell your pages. It's our name giving you likes. It's our name giving you views. Ate on top of that, nemuteka kakamanyiro. Nemuteka kakamanyiro. Why? Kati you can't come. You interview me nonsense. You've interviewed me. I have been on actually Madeko screen. I've been on screen for almost 13 years, and I feel like I'm fed up. I want my own life. You are invited on birthday. You stand undermining a man. You start undermining a man who sleeps with me from Monday to Monday, a year to a year. You understand my point? Watandika okuyisaamu amaaso omusajja gwembeera naye. Oba ngenda kwebaza. Abange. Mwamlooza ngenda kubeebaza. Simuyonga teterera. Owange muze. Sibanya stami kambikeko. Muze. Owamawulire bba wange. Oyogedde bino ne bino. Oyogedde biri. Mukwano, oyagala akuwa ekirabo. You need a gift. You need my man to gift you. That because you've tolerated him, bad black this, bad black this, bad black this, bad black this, bad black that, we shall discipline you because the police can't take their work. Police failed to do their job. You know? Police has failed to do their job about the papalas. At time when I used to see you in election time, when the tear gas comes, you start shouting all over. You know, just one like they beat, they smack down on one papala. All of you sit down. Why don't you give us peace? So you were the first one, Gwe Martin. Njagala ogambe ne banno. That bad luck you had years ago, it's no longer here. This is 2020. We are going to discipline you by force, by thunder, by fire. And we shall appear to police. Also, me, I opened a case against you. That your stupidity should stop. I don't have enough time here. You should stop your nonsense. We shall discipline every papala. I'm telling you, Nabamawulire tujja mu disciplining. Tujja bakubaga amayuga gasiiba gali embizi. Tugenda bakubaga amayuga gali embizi ne musiiba ku mbizi nga mumanyiira abantu. Once you need an interview from me, give me a respect. It's me your capital. I'm your capital. Bad luck is your capital. Without bad luck, you can't sell your TV. Mtunulire all these Lugambo shows. They are down. We no longer hype them. We no longer give them what to talk. We have to start also live. So you cannot come. You come for my man. He comes for you. He beats your ass. And then you report to police. Msajja muno abakusinga amanege toliyita mpanama. Mukitegedde. Msajja muno akusinga ebinege toliyita mpanama oba toliyita ddogo. Mbera opasa bujingo kunako agamba nti omusajja akusinga ngo sitamye toli musinga era gwe Martin wawonye twale twagala tukukube ate. I don't know why I have a bad chance that every time that those scenario happens my phone goes off, mbera sina battery and I be in the peace. Kumbe there is some thing going to come. You understand? You don't come for my man if you can't handle. Those walokoso yogambo wagenze kawetwe police mkwano nakutute kusaidia headquarters je nakuwabiddo ino soko kwe reporting mutu wandika kama mawulire amafu ne mutu malaka emirembe. You people, you can pimp. You can pimp in someone else's life now wiranga ali fed up. You can pimp in someone else's anas now wiranga ali fed up. Musolo tambulira ku muntu na wiranga akoyenze. Nabamawulire, once I give you peace, you give me peace. Without peace, we shall discipline you. You don't come for my man and you think you'll go with it. Just ogenda SULA simu. Honey. Galo kwetega. Ochitegeera. So, wabadenga you were doing an interview and you thought ojikola kumukazi adomanyimbu because let me tell you, because I be out, because I be out and I chill and my babe, my boy is like holding me so tight. We kiss, we romance, and he keeps quiet. Doesn't mean that he's weak. He's not soft. Actually, by the time my man finded me, all of you were a failure. All of you men, you were a failure. No one even can make me to settle like for 3 years. You understand my point? So you come for him, he comes for your balls. And he beat you up. And you cry like a baby. You get my point? You're gonna cry like a baby. And you're gonna run to police. Did the police told you to go in club? Did your CEO of STV mbuga yabadde akusindisa okujja ku birthday party? Something you threat someone, You threat someone and you think, let me threat her. Threat doesn't work. So every day emergency live to let you know you papalas in your video every day I'm going to let you know move kubantu move kube muyita ba celeb which tegela me I don't take my life like I'm a public figure or I'm a celebrity. We shall discipline you. Once you talk shit on me on TV, I'll find you. Once we find you, we shall smack you down like WWE. And we walk away. Hey, basekeredde. Bana mwina mwina okumanya we mukoma. Mumanye we mukoma. Musaze na mumundu. You all papalas, you should know where you end, where your beginning and where your end is going to be. Chitegera. You can't go pimping in everyone's life and in everyone's honors. Chitegera. So Martini, if you're nursing wounds, please nurse them very well. Nurse your wounds very well. Chitegera. I want you to nurse your wounds very well. Olanga ibakuba governor AC. Watuonye. Mumanyiira nnyo abantu. You talk too many forces and we get tired. I have to go. Sina budde ubeera ku live. Kitegeera. Sina budde ubeera ku live. So mbadde nkugamba you Martin, nti if you went to Katwe police station, I'll wait for the summon. Rightly, njagala okutegeeza mbu nabadde nzekka. If a woman can even beat you up. Ado manyira Slim Daddy ng'omuyita ki brother. Ado mulabako n'akasolo k'abakazi akamwetimbye. I'm telling you, we shall discipline you, all of you motherfuckers. We shall discipline you all motherfuckers by force, by thunder. You come for my man. Ompoza omusajja wange mujjire wano ku media nga taliwo naye nze mabuya kastojja nga wali physically. I'm here to let you know tugenda kubakuba. We shall beat you unbeaten and we want your faces to swirl. Bakita batyo okuzimba. We want your faces to swirl. Swell. Twagala ebyo bifeesi byammwe bizimbe muli embizi muzimbe ne face ng'amatama nze mbabuulira. We still beating you up. Era gwe Martin okyakaabisa kyejo. Even if I will find you somewhere else, we shall beat you. Tujja kukuba. You keep this video because mumanyiira abantu. Kitegeera ebyo byowooza biki mukwano. I just need to go and I chill for this evening. This is enough. Madeteza Nabamawulire, womanyirira ku TV, we shall beat you. We shall look for you tujja kukuba. Bakuba kasuku bitono natafunako na wamutwala ku kitanda. We shall beat you. We shall. Nja kudda mubeere bulungi. Badde bebyo nakyo yagala okwogera. Oba obubaka mbukutuusizeeyo. Aha. Aha. Kati, this message, it's from my Slim Dad, it's Owamawulire, into all of you papalas who think that she's a woman. If you sing bobanga omulabako akasolo konna muyite mukazi naye you have to say those words on TV. Once he finds you ojja kutegeera nti musajja muno aba akusinza ekinege tebantunuka. Bantu and 2000 actually I didn't wish you even a happy new year. Let me wish you a happy new year. Happy new year. Jakujam live maybe tomorrow and mbasitya ina bigambo bingi nze sisida wano kukwerega mgenda kumalako akabiri. I don't love this body to go, so I was wanting to inform you. You can call my man all names. Once we find it, tugenda kukubesiwa ntukube bikopo akube ngumi nkulume nkusale enviri nkumwe. We're gonna discipline you, papalas. We're going to discipline you very well. Papalas, we are going to discipline you. I don't need security. Tujaba disciplining. So Martin, nurse your wounds. I'm waiting for the police summon, and I will report myself, or my lawyers, they will report, because that is assault. I will report. May I respect police? I will tell Afande what happened. Bwe mtu mumanyira abakazi b'abantu noweeripira n'omanyira kitegeera walabye bba wange weyakutta mane olekisajja kinene osiiba ku mbizi ng'olya naye nga my man is very slim but etiizi liwera wabadde omayo ngenda mukwata kigogombya gwe n'omusajja omunene ng'okwata bange kigogombya how omulabye wamukute kigogombya ng'omukute mu kiwato n'akunyweza bwe paka kutaka tu nengamba yes darling kubembwa unbeatable kitegeera yeah wamulaye bange walimu olugentiri my man is a Jackie Chan in a black body yakubyawo teke ne bobo kopo me myself I beaten you da bukopo bwachai tewali kwegana wano musango gwegundi tewali kwegana nakubya obukopo bwachai me myself nakubya obukopo bwachai era if your back is paining just no nakuye ukopo kitegedde gwe omugongo yeguba gukuluma gwe Martin nakubya obukopo bwa tea butunywera mutti masala butunywera mu cappuccino kubanga nalabye nga bebi akutadde wansi nga gwe bachokuba bange gwe bachokufa gwe I want to walk to fight. After beating you up, we walk in peace. We went in peace. We walked in peace and we left the venue. We left the venue in peace. Mkanga mbubichi mbeko chenkola obadde ogenda kukola kigwe ogenda kukola ki aye tudde wano mbw ate nzize mu kwegaana musango gwa kukuba Martin twakukubye. We beaten you up for Kamanyiro. Waba daughter midday you were drunk. We can't deal with a drunkard. Kubanga okumanya twakukubye I just came to you nekugamba munange delete that video gyotaddeyo ng'omanyira bba wange kubanga nze bange mumanyi yakuba gurunedi ne tiimu nekugamba bange nno musirise naye simwangu delete that video. You insist mbunedda sina gwe ntya. My dear, me and you who ran to police, who is nursing wounds. Sometimes law must be handed over in the hand. Some of you, even you don't need a police station on time to be even imprisoned. Law must be handed over in hand. Chitegera. So, wabadde omanyi mukwano nze bad blood. I'm even repeating this. You better share this video. Kastambelanga, I'm not a government threat. I'm not a politician. I'm not anything. I'm just living my own life. I don't fear law. I will discipline you. I report myself. I reported myself yesterday night. We shall discipline you next time. You will respect people's men. Bwolaba omusajja ng'atudde ne mukazi we tulowooza mbu ayina akasolo ka mukyalo okutulawo n'asirika. Era yakubye akugamba genda ogambe banno. Mbundi musajja. Bwolekanga kuba musajja munno. Bw'okuba musajja munno oleka yagana akuzze ewammwe. I'm telling you. Oleka yagana akuzze ewammwe. Hey. Ng'akwesibyeko ayagala okukola amawulire. Wagakoze. Your nursing wounds. We don't have your time. We are ready. We are ready. You nurse your wounds, son of a bitch. Abby. Next on cue. Tetuchakwanga ne wetusuwinga bu TV bwamwe. Yusisite bugala. Ne watukola ki? Yusisite inachekola. Katika tubeekubire. Mutudda ku TV ne mutumanyiira. Okitegedde? Ago gabadde gakyali mabaga mukwano. Gabadde gakyali mabaga. Anyway, I have to leave. Sagala nnyo ku rap live. Banange mbagala nnyo. Have a very good night. Bye bye all of you.
Oli ku BOCAT TV. Leero enkya na luli. BOCAT TV.